Hello, and welcome to another episode of Cocktail Hour with Bozorth Beverages. For today's episode, we're going to be making a wild whiskey sour based on a recipe from Wild Roots Vodka. So to start, we're going to take our rocks glass. We're going to sugar half of the rim. So we'll take our lemon slice, run that around the edge there, and dip that in our sugar. There we go. Then we'll go ahead and start mixing our cocktail. Couple scoops of ice. Then we're going to use 2 ounces of our raspberry lemonade. One ounce of the Wild Roots Raspberry Vodka. And 1 ounce of the Eastside Distilling Marionberry Whiskey. We're going to give that a good shake for about 15 seconds or so. Add a little bit more ice to our glass. Then we're going to go ahead and strain our cocktail into the glass. And there you go, one wild whiskey sour. So thank you for joining us for today's episode of Cocktail Hour with Bozorth Beverages. As always, today's recipe can be found in the description below the video. And all of our recipes and our products can be found at our website, bozbev.com. That's BOZBEV.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day.